Nintendo Switch OLED Smash Ultimate Bundle. Instant 89 Fighter Roster plus OLED Glory. The Nintendo Switch OLED Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Bundle is exactly what it says. A premium Nintendo Switch with the stunning 7-inch OLED screen, white Joy-Con, improved dock with wired LAN, plus a full digital download of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, including every single fighter from both fighters' passes, 89 characters total, and a 3-month Nintendo Switch Online membership for online play. You get the complete Smash experience and the best-looking Switch hardware in one box, ready to play local 8-player chaos or ranked online matches the moment you turn it on. You get the sharpest, most vibrant Switch screen ever, the entire Smash roster with 0 extra purchases, 3 free months of online play plus classic NES or SNES games, rock-solid wired internet through the dock for lag-free ranked matches, wider kickstand and better speakers for tabletop parties, 64GB storage ready for more games, and the peace of mind that you literally cannot buy a better Smash-ready Switch setup at any price. It's the only bundle where the game, all DLC, and the premium console cost exactly the same as the console alone. Before, you bought a regular Switch, spent $60 on Smash, another $55 on both fighters' passes, waited hours for downloads, and still played on a washed-out LCD. After unboxing this bundle, you're in training mode with Sephiroth and Kazuya in under 20 minutes, seeing every particle effect POP on that ridiculous OLED screen, handing Joy-Con to friends while the dock keeps online matches buttery smooth via Ethernet. One dad told me his kids went from, "Can we play Fortnite?" to "Smash Tournament tonight," every weekend. Another group of college roommates said their dorm instantly became the hangout spot because everyone could pick their main, "No, I don't own that DLC" excuses. It just works instantly. This bundle beats every other Switch purchase in 2025 because you're getting $115 plus worth of content, full game plus both fighters' passes plus 3 months in ESO, completely free with the best hardware version. Regular OLED is the same price with nothing extra. Standard Switch is cheaper, but you'll spend $170 plus catching up to this exact package. Thousands of buyers call it the smartest gaming purchase I ever made. One parent said their family played more in the first month than the entire previous year. Reviewers still rank it the #1 gift and console bundle 4 years running because the value literally cannot be matched. Real owners report 0 regrets and instant party host status. It's not marketing, it's math. You're paying for the premium console, and Nintendo is handing you the greatest Smash of all time on a silver platter. Stop overthinking it. The Nintendo Switch OLED Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Bundle is the single best way to own the complete Smash experience on the best screen Nintendo makes, and it's waiting right now. Click the link in the description, grab it today while stock lasts at this price, and thank me when your living room turns into a tournament arena this weekend. Your move. Do it.